In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Streamer.bot in today's video, so let's get into it. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm OsianWildGoode, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a piece of software called Streamer.bot. Now, Streamer.bot is a program that you can use to control your OBS, and you can open up files and whatever. We are going to go through the most important things, so it won't show you how to do very advanced stuff. All links I mention will be linked in the description, so let's go. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up your preferred browser. Mine is Google Chrome, and you want to type in Streamer.bot. Now you'll get onto this page when you type that URL, and you want to go ahead and press this button here. Press it, and then it will be loading. Now when it's done, go ahead and go to your file explorer, go to downloads, and it will be here. Now then, before you do anything, go to any place you want and create a new file. And you want to call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it a Streamer.bot. Just call it Streamer.bot. Sorry, my typing skills are not good today. And now, go ahead and go back to the downloads. You want to right click and press extract all. Press browse, and you want to browse to your preferred folder. Press select folder, press whatever, press the name, and you can delete this file now. And you want to go here, and you can see there is a ton of things, but we are looking for is this one here, okay? Now then, press Streamer.bot, Streamer.bot, and you can close this now. You do not delete it, okay? Because that will delete it from your PC. So this is Streamer.bot. I know this looks confusing, but don't worry. Now we can delete some of these tabs up here. So these tabs are all the pages. Think it like as a website. A website has different pages, like your shop, your home, your about, and your contact. Maybe you don't have your contact, but yeah. So, yeah, let's actually get into the actual video. So let's go ahead and we can take off viewers. Now, when you reopen Streamer.bot, it will come up with a new, it will make a brand new page with viewers, okay? So just to keep in mind, okay? Now then, go to action queues, and you want to delete this one. Go to integrations. We're not going to be using integrations. MDI. What does this mean? I don't know what that is. I haven't used it before. So yeah. You want to go ahead and delete this. You want to keep voice control. You want to keep hotkeys. You want to keep server or client. And you want to get rid of this one. Now you can't get rid of the about page, but we are going to read through this. Streamer.bot. Super change your stream. Add an advanced level of interactivity and integration to your stream. You can read all of this. You can read all of this. I'll link. No, I'm not going to link it down in the description. But take a second to look at this and don't worry about it. Don't need to read through this. So you want to go to is Stream Apps. You want to go to Stream Apps, and you just want to delete you want to go to Stream Apps, and you want to go ahead and pick what you want. So I'm going to do OBS because I use that. Now then you want to open up OBS. And then you want to go to Tools, WebSocket Server. Now then press Enable WebSocket Server. And you want to go ahead and choose your server port. So I'm going to do this. Okay. And then press Enable Authentication. I think that's how to say it. Press Enable and press Generate Password. Press Apply and Show. Now, editor, I would love it if you can blur out my password. So, yeah. So, you want to just go ahead and you want to press Copy. And you want to copy your server thingy in. Copy this. And then paste it into here. Copy this. And Control V into here. Now you can close OBS down. Press OK, and you can put on your other screen. And you can close, and then you can close OBS down. Now then, you want to press Auto Connect on Startup and Reconnect on Disconnect. Press OK. And now you can see it say disconnected. Right click it and press connect. Right then, I fixed it. Now you want to just go ahead and keep OBS open so you can see what it looks like. And you want to go ahead and right click it and press connect. And now when you press on it, it should show all your scenes and all of that. So you can see that my current scene is on my ending screen. So yeah. Now then, next thing you want to do is you want to go to platforms and you want to go to accounts. Press login. And then this should show up. Now scroll up to the top and you want to check if this is the right account and just press authorize. Do not look through it, okay? I promise this will not hack your account. Okay, I promise. Now you can add is a bot account, okay? So I don't know if I got a bot account. I do not want to put on, okay? Now then you want to go ahead and the last thing you want to do to set this up, you want to go to server or client, press auto start and start server. Now you should be all done, okay? So let's go ahead and do a basic things. So with all of these, okay? So let's add is first a command to turn off your camera, let's say. So let's add a new command, or actually to turn off your chat. So just add in the actions and call this whatever you want. So I'm going to call this turn on or off. And then I'm going to put the name of it. Okay. And then I'm going to put it into a group. So you can put stuff into groups. Okay. So I'm going to type in turn on or off. Now then, you want to keep this highlighted. So if you try and put it like this, it won't work. But if you do it like this, it will work. Now then you can see there is two of these, triggers and sub actions. So you want to add is the sub actions first. We want to go to bottom to top, okay? So if we highlight it and we add a OBS sub action, we go to sources, we can do source visibility. We can go ahead and pick our scene. Now, just saying, it is in backwards, so 1 to whatever is backwards, okay, just to say. So I'm going to use my in-game scene, and I am going to use is I thought this was actually in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E. No, this is not in alphabetical order. Never mind. But this one. Now, let's go ahead and do toggle. Now, if we go to OBS and go to my in-game scene, this is just a stinger I made. And then we press, whoops. And if we press test here, but this is not going to work because oh my gosh. So if we were to press test, you can see it has gone. And if I press test again, it's back. Okay? Right, I'm going to sort that out later. So, yeah. Now if we press OK, and now it's on like this. Now, we want to go ahead and chain these together. So how do we set the commands? So we can add is any of these 3 tabs. Okay? So let's first go to commands. So this is going to be your chat commands. So you can type in chat like exclamation chat, let's say. So let's go ahead and add a new one. And we're going to put the name as exclamation chat. We're going to copy it and paste it. Now then, now up here, put deny all or only these or those. Okay. Now if we press allow all, that means that, oh never mind, I'll explain this another time, but just press deny for now, okay? Now we can add this into a group, so I'm going to name it turn on or off. And now you can choose which ones you want, okay? I'm going to just do Twitch chat. Press OK. And now we want to go to actions. And we want to press on it. And we want to go to core, command triggered. Do this, or you can do it in here if you wanted to. Press OK. Now then, if we go to OBS, I'll show you now what happens. Ready? So, if you see here, we can just go ahead and type in that. Ready? On, off, and on. Okay? So that's kind of cool, isn't it? Now I'm going to clear my chat, okay? So yeah, and also we can add is a voice control. This is really cool. But the first thing, go to settings, go to auto listen, start listening, and choose your microphone. Press refresh. And we want to go to commands, add a new command. I'm going to do chat on. Chat on. I'm going to copy it and Control V. Chat on. Press OK. And you want to add is a chat on or off. Actually, no, we can actually apply it. And then add a new one and call it chat off. Chat off. Press OK, and we can go to actions and we can add another trigger, core voice command, and then we can add a new one. Copy, paste. And now, if I go to OBS, where's OBS? Here, ready? Chat off. Chat off. See? Chat on. Chat on. It takes a bit of a while to recognise your voice a little bit. So yeah. And we can also add is hotkeys. So if we add a hotkey, we can do, let me see if I can find one. F7, no. F12, and we can add is modifiers. I'm going to do shift F12 and turn this to turn off, turn on or off. Okay, and we can press OK. For some reason there is an error, I can't make a hotkey. So let's just do Q, O, Control. There we go. And we can go ahead and go to actions and we can add a new core hotkeys, press. Hotkey, press it, press. And we can do that. And now, go back into OBS. We can press Control O and it just works. Now you can do this for channel points. Now I do not have channel points enabled on Twitch, but you can do that. I will leave a link in the description of Nettie's video of how to set up channel points, or somebody else's. I'll link it in the description. And just saying, this video is actually coming out on Friday, I think. So yeah, yeah. So that is how to set up a Streamer.bot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please can hit that subscribe button for more epic tutorials just like this one, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. More videos on screen. I'll see you over there. Peace out. Woo!